Had my wife translate all my notes from when I was out there, and it goes change. First of all, you change the way you think and talk, but because 80 to 90% of compulsive eating happens between the ears, not the teeth. So the average obese person that's that big, and I learned this from her, is that they're only eating 20% of what they're thinking about eating. This is an all-day loop that's in your head. It's like a drug addiction. Like I would do one thing like the Terminator and be able to look you in the eye and be like, "There's a bowl of Snickers on that counter. There's 2 M&Ms over here. All sugar." Well, processed food. I think I just eat processed foods with maybe protein in it.